Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Venmo app is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and is crashing. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. So simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and just going to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just going to type of storages and just scroll it down and just find the app of Venmo. Just scroll again and just find the app of Venmo. I'm gonna find that. Just tap on the offload app and again install the app from here. After doing that, just going back and just scroll it down and just find settings of the transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, just going to cancel and just going to the back, again back, and check that it's working properly or not. If it is working properly, then you have to use it. If it's not working properly, so simply just uninstall the app from that like that and just again install from the app store. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.